Hi everyone, Kirk here, Kirk's Motorrad Shop, Crystal Lake, Illinois. Merry Christmas everyone. Today actually is Christmas when I'm videoing this. Just doing it on Christmas morning. Wanted to say a quick hello to everybody and wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a very happy and hopefully very prosperous New Year. Whoa, look what we got here. We got something for Beemer. Beemer Johnson. Right there's my address, you guys, if you wanted to send something to Beemer. Yeah. So, I am going to be doing a little shop update today. And we got Beemer with us, and he's got a bark box somebody sent him. One of the friends of the channel. And let's see what's in the box. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a little elephant. You want to get in here and check it out? Belly rub bubbly. Some ginger bag cookies. Jackaloops soft bakes. Cheesy peasy soft bakes. All right. Made with real cheese, no meat. Very cool. Well, thank you so much from Beemer to Chris and Tanya who sent this. And you can see what he likes right now the best. So guys, some of the things I wanted to talk about briefly here. Well, as you can see, we got a shop dog. That's Beemer the shop dog. The address to send things to him it's right down in the description down below. If you care to send something along to Beemer, I will certainly open it up here on the video. So guys, if you do have a bike that you need to have worked on before spring, please, by all means, contact me at kirksmotorrad.com or send me an email, kirk@kirksmotorrad.com, and let's get your bike in here, get it worked on. We can talk about how to get them here, if they got to be transported here. A lot of services can be done in a day, so if you want to hang out, you could certainly do that. So we do have some videos that are coming up. I have filmed a lot of videos, you know, and they're just sitting on, whether they're on the video card or they're sitting on my computer waiting to get edited. Editing takes a lot of time, and I'll get to them. There's definitely some coming up. One of the ones that's coming up is I installed the Bren tune on my K1600, and I want to talk about that and how much I like it, as well as they sent me a discount code, that kind of thing. Another video that I have coming up, which is not going to be posted on YouTube. It's actually going to start out on my Patreon channel, and that is I have videoed what I'm calling a masterclass in installing a clutch on a K1200. I have done so many of those clutches that I now have made what I call the masterclass. I'm giving away every secret that I've ever learned in the 150 plus bikes that I've done. Some of the other things, real brief, brake lines, the Spiegler brake lines. A lot of you guys have contacted me about the brake line delete kits. I definitely have not only the delete kits, but I have the regular kits as well. If you want a regular kit, I am one of their dealers now, so I can get you brake lines, and pricing is going to be the same, but a little bit will go towards what I do here, working out. And some of the ones that I have available, of course I have the 6-line kits for all the bikes, all the BMW bikes, but the K1200 LT, that's the staple delete kit. I have an 02 to 04 RS and GT delete kit. The K1600, I have not a delete kit, but just at least the front lines, which I've talked about in other videos. 95 to 01 RT delete kit, 99 to 01 RS and GT delete kit, as well as an 05 to 07 R1200 GS delete kit as well. And I am currently working on developing a 06 Plus GT delete kit. We're definitely seeing some brake failures there, and guys want to delete their ABS units. Some of the seal kits that I have available, I still have seal kits available for the steering damper as well as the electronic center stand module on the LT. Have those seal kits available. I also have a limited supply of the shafts that go in there. So if you do bend the shaft that goes into the pump, I have that, as well as the caps. So if you break off that cap, I got that as the shaft, and then I have this here. I've got these very strong reinforced caps that have been produced. So if you need something like that, last thing I'll talk about real briefly is my Amazon page, and I have very much updated that. I've added a lot of new products to it, and if you are wondering like where to access that, you can get to it through the description that's down below, and you just got to keep scrolling. It will continually load products, and if you see like a little asterisk next to the product, I've usually commentated on what that works for or what it's good for. So guys, that's my little brief shop update here with Beemer, and you can see he's just he is a cute boy. I will say that he is a good looking dog. He's a lot of fun, but boy, is he a lot of work. You guys know what it's like to have puppies. They're crazy. So, thanks so much again, Chris and Tanya, for sending Beemer a bark box. And guys, if anybody else wants to send one along or anything else along to the shop, you'll see the address right down in the description below. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and let's get out there and ride and wrench. Definitely need to do some wrenching. So, take care, guys. Have a great one.